Hey everyone, it's time to eat again, and today we are going to be using the milk butter filling that we made last time to make some beautiful milk butter buns, or 奶酥面包. We're going to start with the base dough that we used to make the Asian sandwich bread. You can check out the recipe in the link in the description below. While you're checking out the description, help us out by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. After the first rise of the dough, divide it into 55-gram portions. Split the 55-gram dough ball into half and roll each into an oval. Smear one of the ovals with the milk butter filling, about 1 tablespoon. Then place the other oval on top and seal the edges. Fold the oval to form a Christmas tree shape. After folding the dough into a triangle, use a rolling pin to make the triangle a little flatter and longer. Take the tip of the tree and fold it to touch the bottom. Then, using your bench scraper, cut through the fold to create a hole in the middle. Then take the tip of the tree and tuck it through the hole that you just created. This will expose layers of the dough and filling for a beautiful pattern when it is baked. Brush the tops of the buns with an egg wash and optionally sprinkle on some sliced almonds. Let the buns rise for 25 minutes before baking at 350 degrees for 13 minutes. Then you will have some beautiful milk butter buns. Tell us about your most recent baking adventures in the comments below, and we will see you in the next one when it's time to eat again.